Look, good evening, everyone. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Lui. I am from Bamhaga Village, Jammu Township. Today I want to talk about the call. Six question. Number one, what is a call? Number two, who are they? Number three, where do they live? Number four, when do they eat and sleep? Number five, why are they important? Number six, how do they behave? Let's get started. Number one, what is a call? A call is a legend that Mama they belong to the Bowen family. They are happy there. With men, they only eat plain like grass and hair. Number two, who are they? Female are called cock. They provide egg with her teammate. The male are called bird and the baby are called cats. Number three, where do they live? Currently on floor in green picture all over the wall. They lost their year in places where they eat plenty of slick grass to mug on and clean water to drink. And do they eat and sleep? Cause they move up day, eating fish. They spend about 8 hours a day. Jog fuel at night. Very important. And three to stay safe and warm. But why are they important? They are important because they provide meat. We high kid, bear, strong bone. We also use their meat to make yummy treat like ice, cream cheese and butter. And but how do they behave? Corn are very social animals. Group called they communicate with other by. Okay, a long move. Thank you for listening to my presentation.